guys, welcome back to the channel, and for this video I'm going to be reading some comments that I've seen on the internet. Okay, but before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out my shirt. Yeah, that's half the Jamaican flag, the Jamaican national bird. That's the hummingbird. Right, true. Yeah, I made that. I'm proud of myself. Okay, so as we know, people can be savages on the internet. They can be really sweet, and they can be extremely funny. So I saw these comments and I'm like, you know what? Not everybody's gonna see these comments, so I need to help people out a little bit. I'm gonna read some of these comments. So the first one. So this guy sent this girl this text. Okay? What's your major? She responded, IT. And he said, like the clown. So she responded, and she's telling you that her major is information technology, and you saw IT and thought about the clown. It. Now, if you was gonna date this guy, you might want to rethink your whole life, because he is dumber than dirt. Especially if you want to have kids. You don't want to have no kids with him. He ain't it. This person posted. So basically, her friend said to her, your mom is so nice. And then, right after the mom leaves, scene. Tell me you can't relate to that. Think about growing up. When your friends came over, your mom was the sweetest thing ever. She wouldn't embarrass you. She'd be so nice. You asked for whatever and you got it. Soon as they went through the door, all that niceness was over. You don't get that no more. When my grandma, when friends came by, my grandma was so nice. She was so nice to me. But once them people leave, take up your backside, go do it. Friends coming over was the best thing. Straight up. Next comment. I'm going to leave that one for last, because this person said, how can my auntie say, I may not always look perfect, but I must not look away that will make your enemies rejoice? I get what she's saying, but when I tell you your family members can be brutal, they can be brutal. You ain't have to say it like that. What you trying to say? I might not always look perfect, but don't look away that will make your enemies rejoice. I mean, it makes sense. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta go out looking the best all the time, but make sure the way you look, your enemies can't come out there laughing at you or nothing. It makes sense. It makes sense. It's just the way parents say things, or family, you know? This comment right here, well, it wasn't even a comment. She was just asking a question. Would you accept a $41 million contract today if one condition was you'd become permanently ashy for the rest of your life? Let me tell you something. If we're friends, family, or whatever, get used to seeing me act like a crackhead, because I'm going to be like this all day long for that $41 million. You hear me? I will be ashy all day long. Give me the $41 million. I don't care. No, I ain't ashy right now, but let me tell you something. Some days it is rough. You look at my hands, they look terrible. The other day it was so bad at work, I had to turn to my coworker. I'm like, you got some lotion? Because my hands, they don't look good. Like, they are fighting for life right now. She said, yeah, I got unscented lotion if you want. It don't matter. I just want some lotion. Scented, unscented, I don't care. I just need to make my life look a little bit better. This person said, I be ready to quit my job all cause I be sleepy. Now we know we can all relate. You know how many times I've told my bosses that they should probably rethink the work hours? My thing is, who decided we should go to work at like 7 or 8 in the morning or whenever you go? I think we go to work at 12, okay? That's a good time. Go to work at 12, get off maybe 3, 4 ish. That's all we need. Then everything gonna get done. That means you eliminate all that sleepiness, and then you have happy employees. I'm just saying. I'm gonna run for president next time because that's what I'm gonna do for everybody. This last one, boy. Oh no no no! I ain't gonna get to that one yet. I ain't gonna get to that one yet. This person said, a lot of y'all don't know how to write a professional email, and it shows RIGHT. Now, if you're gonna come on here and make somebody look stupid, you might not want to look stupid before you do that, because write is WRITE, not RIGHT. Okay. Have manners. This person said, how can sperm swim and you can't? Bro, that was you. If I find this person, I'm gonna conk him in the forehead. But I mean, let's think about it for a second. How can sperm swim and you can't? Bro, that was you. If you think about it, the sperm that swam to the egg, that was you. So how comes the sperm can swim but you can't? It's mine. It's the mind games, you know what I'm saying? How can it swim but you can't swim? I mean, I'm really asking myself that because I can't swim either. Huh. It's dumb, but it make you think, huh? Yeah. Now, this last one is the one where if I find this person, I'm gonna knock them out. If I find their math teacher, I'm gonna knock them out too. And then if I find their parents, I'm gonna knock them out too, because everybody failed this person. It said, why I just find out they call police 12. Yes, they call police 12 in America. Because 9 plus 1 plus 1. You solved it. They call police 12 because 9 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. That's not why they call police 12, because 9 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. It's not 12. Again. Go back to school. The math teacher failed this person. And the parents failed this person. Whoever else. And whoever else. But it's the fact that they wrote this and they were so confident that they're like, because 9 plus 1 plus 1, that's why they call them 12. It don't make sense. No, it does not. It does not make sense. 9 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. So start again. Really? You trying to be smart so bad that you try 911. Oh, they call them 12 because 9 plus 1 plus 1. 911. No. That was funny though. Listen, I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And as always, we appreciate all the love and support. And until next time. Okay, listen, it's Friday. Work is really slow. So this one I'm doing. Okay? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, peace out.